morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500, E-mini futures, daily chart, and we're in an interesting area here. We finally have moved over the 50-day exponential moving average. We made another new low yesterday and spent the majority of the afternoon rejecting that low. We're seeing some bullish follow through tonight into the morning. The high from Friday was 79.25. So far we've done 77.5. So I'll be very interested to see what happens when we get up to those Friday highs. At the same time, you've got the green line here, which is the middle Bollinger Band, the 20-day simple moving average. That's up at 1988 and change. So 88. You got the lower band down at 61, and we're trading at 76. So we're really kind of in between two key areas. So you have to ask yourself as you go into today, is what we're seeing here another sellable rally? Are we going to test Friday's high, see that get rejected, and move back down to hit the lower band and continue the lower band ride? Or are we going to break out of this cycle of riding the band, break over 79.5 and go test 88? For the first time in a long time, based upon what happened in Globex last night, the bulls have a genuine chance to end the band ride. If they can't, if we end up going down and doing as low as 61, which is 15 handles down from here, then this really will confirm, at least in my mind, that there is more than a possibility of a trend change in this market. A year ago, 6 months ago, a year ago, 18 months ago, this move gets bounced, ripped through the middle band, and we head up towards the highs. That would happen during the remainder of this week. So if the uptrend is still as strong as it was, and we're just going through a little bit of a hiccup here with all the uncertainty that's been going on, then we should see the bulls take control of the tape right here and not give it back literally for the next 5, 6, 7 sessions. If we don't see that, if we see a migration back to the middle band that fails, that turns it into resistance for a second time, first time was here and here, for a second time, then my inkling that we have an underlying trend change in the market is going to become more than an inkling. So those are questions that we can answer this week. For now, we're sitting between the lower band and the middle band. Be careful with any big, any big positions in either direction of that, because it could go either way. So a lot more questions than answers today. I'll be very interested to see how this plays out. Okay, follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website, PrincetonTrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.